Good morning, Kipsters. It is Wednesday, and just like Monday and Tuesday, your work for today is on No Red Ink. Once you get to Google Classroom, you'll click the assignment and you'll see Login with No Red Ink. Click that, and it'll bring you right to this page. Click Login with Google. Then choose your email. Once you're logged in, you'll see a blue rectangle. You don't see it on my screen right now, but you'll see it. Click that blue rectangle and then you'll see what I see on my screen. Tells you the same information. Today's assignment is Wednesday, 224 classwork, and it has two topics: matching correlative conjunctions and using the appropriate correlative conjunctions. As always, hit the blue circle that says begin. Read over that lesson first. Tells you about several of the correlative conjunction pairs. Read through. Then exit out of the lesson and go straight into the practice. Remember, always read the question. It may change, so always read it. Let's practice one or two together. I can either crawl but swim my way through Zazu's obstacle course. Okay. So I know from when I learned about correlative conjunctions that either and but is not a pair. So I'm going to click this button to see if I can switch it. All right. I can either crawl nor swim my way through Zazu's obstacle course. That's not quite right either. Let me see what the other option is here, because I remember that either and nor aren't a pair either. I can neither crawl nor swim my way through Zazu's obstacle course. That's it. Neither nor is a pair. I submit my answer now. Make sure you continue to go through the practice just like that. If at any point you're confused or you get stuck, just pause what you're doing on No Red Ink and go back to Google Classroom and click the helpful tips for Wednesday, 224. Once you do that, you'll see this. It outlines all or most of the correlative conjunction pairs and also shows you how they're used in different sentences. Either or, not only but also, neither nor, that was from the example we just did, as and as. Okay? Make sure you read through all of them. They'll show you examples about how to use each. That's all for today. Do your best. I'll see you tomorrow morning.